What's up, guys? It's Curt Chambers here. We're going to be going over some iconic, timeless rock riffs that are just great to have in your arsenal. It starts on the and of 3. Let's unpack this. So it sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3. And there we're in on the 1. This time I'll play the 1. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, and we're in. Okay, so let's play that a little bit together, and I'll slow it down. Here we go. All right, so that's what it sounds like. And before we play it slower, I want to point out one important thing. I'm using my thumb to mute part of this riff, and I'll show you where it is. That's a mute. That's a mute. It's a mute. Another mute. There. So what you're doing is you're playing this note, this C, and after that attack, you're using the, I guess, momentum or the sound from that to ring down to the B note or the second fret. And it sounds and feels like this. Like that, as opposed to, that's good. That's good. All right, let's bring it up a little faster. Here we go.